There you go.
My name is Bergman. I'm Vice President of Operations for Volvo Penta in Lexington. I've been here for 4 years, but I've been in the Volvo Group for over 20 years. I actually started my Volvo career at our mother plant in Skövde, assembling 12-liter engines. And that gave me a really good experience on how it is really to be working in a factory.
I would say it's all about creating a culture where quality, safety, and continuous improvement go hand in hand, and really seeing people being engaged in it and proud of the work what they do.
The values of Volvo really align with my values in that trust is really important. And trust is one of our values, and our customers really trust us to lead the way in innovation and smarter solutions. I was really proud to work for a company that said, even though we don't have to make this change, we're going to make this change.
When you hear people talk about Volvo around town, you know, it's got a good name, you know. Everybody tells me, man, I've heard that was a really good place to work, you know, and it has been.
And that really makes me happy that they're using their skills and what they've learned here to make their job better, to make their work environment better, to make it, you know, whether it be to make their job safer, more efficient, that it's something that they thought of and they put time and energy into making better.
I take pride in it. When I'm out on the river, well, you know, I run across all kind of strangers. We play horseshoes on the island. People pull up down there in their boats, and I asked them, I said, you know, what kind of unit you got in that? You got a Volvo? And, you know, they get telling me a lot of times, yeah, it's a Volvo. And been testing it so long, you know if something's wrong just by hearing it run, you know. Experience goes a long ways, I guess.
So currently what I really like about my job is the people that I work with, the connections we make, the improvements we make together, how well we work together.
So I'm really proud to work for a company that gives back to the community and encourages us to help out and give back to the community. I think it's really important.
We need to understand that our factories is the most important part of our, value chain system, delivering high quality products to our customers. With that comes also, of course, a great responsibility with safety.